Hello people, my full name is João Camargo Jr., but people usually call me João Jr. or JJ, my nickname too. I'm 40 years old and my birthday is on October 23rd to be exact. I was born in Mauá, but I lived in São Carlos. I'm the oldest son in a family of 3 children. I lived in São Carlos, but my father passed away on July 31st of 1997. I'm an aircraft maintenance technician in quality control area as aircraft inspector. My specialties are in cell, airframe, and engines, but I recently finished my course of avionics and I will have areas. I've more than 40 professional courses too. I'm married for 17 years with Alexandra and I have 2 boys, Igor and Wilgner. We live in São Carlos on Jardim Veredas Residential in Dr. Manuel Fravas Street, number 105, House H. I have a lot of abilities. I love athletics and basketball. I was an athlete of these 2 sports and I played football and volleyball also. I like teaching and I've been a teacher in technical school, but due to the lack of time, I stopped teaching. I love using my creativity. I contributed in the Idea Generators program in my current job with more than 100 ideas, and in a previous job in over 80 at the newly deployed tool that generated savings of $7,500 annually. I've been working in Latam Airlines for 10 years and I'm passionate for aviation and quality control too. Well, this is a little bit of me, and additional information can be found in my CV or personally. Briefly, contact us. See you soon!